Hey, how's it going? This is Maz, and I wanted to give you a quick tour of the platform. Once you sign in, you can go to the document sections and simply just create a resume or a cover letter here. So we have a few templates and choose one. And let's assume that this is my existing resume. I can simply just drop that in over here. My resume will get inserted into the template. And then what you can do is that you can manually edit this template if you want, or if you want to use the AI, you can simply just do it here. So add a summary section based on my experiences. So that's how it looks. Then you can preview the file here. So you can see that that's how it looks. Simply just download it with that click. Another thing you might want to use this is to actually tailor your resume to a job description. So simply you can just bring in this job description over here and here, tailor to a job description. This is gonna put that job description with a prompt, and then the resume will get updated for that job description. And that's how it looks. So I guess you can do the same with cover letters. We have a few templates here as well. Added a Chrome extension recently. The Chrome extension allows you to just simply from the page that you're at, you can simply just open the Chrome extension and say, generate a tailored cover letter. So we take the job description from this page and we use your resume to create a tailored cover letter for this job. So after that's done, you can go ahead and see the cover letter, and that's how it looks. Or you can do the same with any other job board. For example, take this job, simply just open the browser extension and say generate tailored resume in this case.